Alright, so for today's video, ito na ang first ride experience natin with the Core 188. Let's open him up, turn the key, TFT will turn on. Okay, isa-center stand ko lang para makita natin yung unit. Okay, yan yung core. Meron siyang ilaw doon sa kanyang gitna na may magandang logo ni FKM. Okay, meron siyang front camera, spoke rims. Okay, para sa mga specifications niya, you can watch yung earlier video ko. Pero for today, sakyan natin si Core. And let's see yung kanyang test ride, first ride impression with the Core 188. Okay, so right off the bat, smooth yung throttle. Suspension niya maganda. Naglalaro. Hindi siya matagtag. Ito, may mga konting lubak dito. Ang preno niya makapit. Predictable. Yun, nalubak ako doon. Okay, wala siyang, hindi siya yung tumutuktok or yung may lagutok. Yan yung itsura ng kanyang TFT. Headlight on. Meron din siyang passing light. Very precise nung kanyang throttle response. It's very smooth. And napakaganda. Napakaganda at napakalinaw nung kanyang TFT screen. Alam na alam ko yung aking speed. And for this particular road sa Felix Avenue, we just want to maintain it at between 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Yan. Pagka i-throttle mo, yun. Saglit lang sa kanya yung 60. Maganda nito, automatic recording na yung kanyang camera. Pagka umaandar, hindi ko ma-manipulate yung kanyang TFT menu. Hindi ko siya ma-manipulate dahil nga alam nung scooter na umaandar. Pero pagka nakahinto, yan, pwede natin siyang baguhin. Mas malaki yung dating ni Core 188 as you would expect from other maxi scooters. Malaki siya pero magaan. May kataasan ng konti. Siguro kailangan at least 5'5". 5'4", 5'4", 5'5". Yan, kaya yan. Alam natin na nagre-record yung kanyang video. And kita natin yung engine temperature, 87 degrees. So, malalaman mo talaga kung nag-overheat ba siya or hindi. Meron siyang voltmeter. Meron siyang time. Okay, so all the essential information, you can really see it. And it's presented in a very elegant and very premium way. And if I would describe Core 188 in one word, that's the word. It's premium. This maxi scoot is clearly a notch above all other maxi scoots, adventure scooters out there. Premium talaga si FKM 4188. Hindi ka magkakamali dito for its price. Of course, it's a sub 200cc. So medyo may kalakihan ang kanyang yung kanyang displacement. So yes. Okay. And try to accelerate. Oh yeah. Yep. Power's clearly there. Ito yung navigation eh. Yun yung kanya navigation. If I were to request sana, one thing about the Core is I would want na sana mas madaling patayin yung traction control nito. You know, parang sa dami ng buttons dito, you know, it would have been convenient kung madali lang din patayin yung traction control. Yeah, because okay naman yung traction control, but it does remove some power on the rear wheel. So kung if you want the full experience and the full power of the bike, then you have to turn it off. Pero syempre, sa lakas din ng power ng scooter, maaaring mag-slip or mag-overspin yung rear tire. So yan naman yung piniprevent or kinokontrol ng traction control. It controls over spinning ng rear tire. So traffic-wise, talagang walang problema. Etong mga lubak, wala din problema. Ganda ng throttle talaga. I mean, you get what you pay for with 4188. And I'm really happy na FKM is continually improving their units. Pero yung presyo ng mga FKM natin, kayang-kaya niyang tapatan yung mga competitors or yung mga other available units, scooters and motorcycles in its class. And ang panalo talaga dito is tayo mga rider. Okay, dahil dumadami yung mga options natin, yung mga pwede natin pagpilian na units. Yung maganda rin dito sa Core is minamatch nung preno yung suspension. Ay, wow. Maganda dito kay Core, yung suspension niya minamatch nung preno. So pagka nagpreno ka, kayang saluhin nung suspension yung lakas ng preno. Tapos pagka i-release mo na yung preno, magdi-decompress ngayon yung suspension, hindi ka niya ibabato pabalik. Maganda yung rebound, yan na may tinatawag na rebound. And it's part of the premium feel and premium build nitong 4188. So thanks for watching and being with me in our video for today. Sana nabigyan liwanag kayo, na-enlighten at na-enjoy ninyo yung experience with the Core 188. It's truly a game changer. And sobrang pogi talaga. Grabe. Pwede mo siyang titigan buong araw. And it's gonna put a lot of smiles para sa ating mga owners na pipiliin tong Core 188.